Okay, so we're here at Simola. We're having a great time. For the first time ever, it's not raining, it's not wet around the track. Yeah, we've done some practices so far. Yeah, everything is going well. Customers are happy. That's the biggest thing. We are doing well in all the different classes. Mike hasn't put his Hillclimb tires on yet, so he's still slipping and sliding around, doing big burnouts. Connor has done well. I had a few scares, but you know, just on getting it a bit sideways into the corners and stuff. But yeah, having a great time. And then the Yaris is doing what the Yaris does. It does good launches and makes it up the hill. Davy did well yesterday on Friday, so we're really proud of him. And yeah, that's where we are, having a great time in the sun. The Yaris were pretty much perfect. Look, Ian is just having a great time driving up and down, and I think often people like that gets the most out of it because they're just having a laugh and they're not taking themselves too seriously, and that's just really what it is. I think he did a 50.7. I could be wrong, but long story short, he had the biggest smile on his face and he's gone off to have a nightcap. Mike over here is complaining about a bit of lack of horsepower. Not much I can do. We can check the basics. It's getting flat out, the air filter is not blocked, the exhaust pipe's not blocked. We got a little bit of data on this management, like fuel pressure and stuff. All looks with completely normal boundaries. But yeah, I agree, the car does seem a bit slow in a straight line. And then Connor, pretty much think that car's going as fast as it can go, just struggling to get the consistency on the launches. It's probably his biggest Achilles heel, and we sort of knew it with a very tall first gear, the low torque of the engine. But as far as the handling goes, seems to be there. A little bit tail happy in certain places, understeers in other places. And it's also difficult with this event to line up you know, the tyre warmers. So just as an example, the last run we went out and then there was a red flag, so the car stood for quite a long time there. We put the tyre warmers on to try and maintain some heat in the tyres, but you know, you're losing heat. So yeah, but otherwise all our cars are running, customers are happy, and yeah, it's great being here. Always when I'm here, I wish I was competing myself, but yeah, see what it is. It's final day, it's warm up. Yeah, everybody's trying to go a bit faster than yesterday, or you're just trying to nurse problems that's starting coming out. So on the Ligier, the clutch is starting to feel a bit funny, so we're going to skip 2 of the qualifying and just do the last qualifying, as we're already in our class final, and yeah, try and save the clutch. Mike is carrying on doing 55s or 45s, he's not going to go much faster. We reckon the car's down on power, but there's nothing we can do from the outside. This just is what it is. Yeah, so far it's actually just running all according to plan. There's nothing unexpected has happened. I might say it's almost boring, but yeah, it's been good, it's been relaxing, it's nice to be here and chat to everybody and catch up with old friends. And Ian is really enjoying the Yaris. He's just going up the hill. Like I said, he's waving to people. Just smiling. I looked at the driver data earlier. He's like lifting halfway up the straight and stuff. Look, he's just here having fun. He's not pretending to be a driver. He's just here to experience it and drive up the hill. And you know, he seems to just have a smile on his face every time I see him. So the Yaris is just doing perfect. So we're back at the workshop after the Simola Hillclimb. Obviously, we're super proud of the way that our cars ran this weekend. You know, no problems. Drove there, offloaded, went through scrutineering. Cars went up and down the hill a few times and loaded up and went home. Obviously, Connor had came first in class and came third in the sports car single-seater category, which is fantastic. Great result. The Yaris did really well. Drove in up and down the hill. And again, no problems. Obviously, he's just there for the experience and doing it with his son and being part of the thing. And then, yeah, Mike, he was really in there. It was close. I think he missed out on the top 10 at like 0.01 of a second. But yeah, he had a great time, car ran perfectly, and ultimately didn't give us any problems. So yeah, it was a fantastic weekend. It's always a great event to go to, all the different cars. Basically everybody in motorsport sort of ends up there. You're going to run into them. So yeah, what a great result, and glad to be safe at home and all the cars in one pieces.